Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog, and for today's video it is gonna be so exciting. It's gonna be so special. You know why? Because I have Wagyu! Yay! Wagyu beef, guys. For the one that don't know what Wagyu beef, it is a very expensive very expensive beef, but well, for me, okay, Wagyu beef is the best. I like ribeye, but the Wagyu, oh my goodness, no comparison. If you like beef that has a lot of marbling, you go for Wagyu beef. When we went to Japan, guys, oh my goodness, I really didn't go for a lot of sushi because they have a lot of Wagyu beef there. So I'm inspired to get this Wagyu beef, and guess, guys, how much it costs? Look at that. Can you see it? It costs $298.33 for this one piece. It's a pretty thick beef. The first time I tasted Wagyu, I said, oh my goodness, this beef is for me. So we don't buy this all the time, guys. Today is splurging dinner day. Can you call day dinner? Splurging day. So splurging dinner. So but even this is $298, guys. We're not eating this whole thing. What I'm going to do is cut a small piece like this, and then I'm going to still cut it in half, this one piece right here. What I'm going to do is just cook it for like 2 minutes each side, and then I'm going to after I cook it for 2 minutes in medium temperature heat, I'm going to sear it after, like the edge and all, and then we're going to rest it for a few minutes. And I'm going to only put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and well, I don't know if I want to put garlic powder because I want it to taste the, you know, the meat and not all the seasoning. So I'm only gonna put salt, pepper, and bouillon powder and butter. I'm going to cook some fried rice, and I cannot decide if I want fried rice or potato because potato is so good with beef, so I'm cooking both. Why not, right? And since I have it already anyway, I will cook both. So I'm gonna make garlic rice using this fried garlic right here. And for the potato, I'm going to put the smoked paprika. That goes really well together also. And when I cook the beef, I'm going to put olive oil first, and then when it's almost done, I'm going to put some butter, and we are going to cook the potatoes where we cook the beef, so to get all the flavorings. So yes, that's what we are having for dinner tonight. I'm so excited. Hopefully, guys, I will not ruin this $298 Wagyu, however you pronounce it. And that's what I'm going to do, guys. Look at all the marbling. So delicious. So let's cut our beef. So here's the beef, guys. Look at that. And look how thick. So cut it like 3 pieces. Looks so good. I'm gonna put this away. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. See, it's still pretty good size. It smells so good too. So let's start cooking our Wagyu beef. So for me to cook that Wagyu beef, guys, I'm going to use this pan, my very thin cast iron pan, because this is really good for steak. And I'm going to turn the exhaust now. A little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. So I'm going to make sure that I will put the timer because I want it exactly 2 minutes each side. Then we'll sear the sides, all the side. Wish me luck. So we'll put the timer, and I am just gonna let it be. I'm not touching it. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, perfect. So now I'm going to season that this side. Salt, chicken powder, pepper, I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Now I'm going to sear the sides. And that's it, guys. Look how it's pink inside. But then we are going to set this aside for a while. So now I will cook the other one for Chris. This one is bigger. A little bit bigger than the first one. So I'm just gonna continue cooking it the same way. Okay guys, steak is done. Now I'm going to cook the potatoes. So the potato will absorb all that flavor from the beef. Salt, pepper, and a little bit of the chicken powder. And when I cook my potato this way, guys, I don't like it really soft. Then I'm gonna put the paprika. This stuff is really good, guys. Smoked paprika. I'm gonna check if it is done. Perfect. It is done. Then I'm going to cook the fried rice. And I remove the oil. And I'm going to put butter. We're going to put the rice. Going to season it. A little bit of salt. Pepper. Chicken powder. Garlic powder. And the fried garlic. And I'm just going to finish this, guys. And it is dinner time. Our very expensive dinner is served. Very expensive. Hopefully it's good, guys, but it smells so good. So I'm going to put a little bit of parsley on our potato. Just sprinkle some. Maybe I'll put some also in everything. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more of the fried garlic on top of our rice, so it is gonna be really garlicky. Is that even a word? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to dig in. Let's see if it is cooked okay. I don't want it well done. I want it between medium and as long as it's not bloody, I'm okay. Pink is good. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh, it is so tender. OMG, take a look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. It is perfect. That is perfect for me. Perfect. I'm happy how I cook it. So let us try it now, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so good, I wanna cry. Wow. That is good. Perfect. It's so perfect. It needed a little bit of salt, but I don't want to put too much seasoning because I wanted to taste the beef. The 200, how much was that? I forgot. It's so good that I forget how much it cost. It is so worth it, guys. So worth it. We bought this beef from a butcher, local butcher shop. It's the best beef ever. It's so tender. Kind of like melt in your mouth. Let's try eat it with the fried rice. All I can say is so good. So good. Let's try the potato. The potato is perfectly cooked. But let's go back to the beef. Did I say it's really good? So this size is actually really perfect. Perfect for me. It is so good. It is so worth it. When I saw the price, when we were buying it, telling myself, don't look at the price, just put it in your head what it tastes like. I have to say bye because I'm going to enjoy my Wagyu and my dessert. Tonight is a splurging night dinner. This is peanut butter and chocolate cupcake. That's my dessert. Chris and I were going to split on this one also. I'm not going to eat this whole thing. So, but anyway, guys, I'm so excited to finish my food. Again, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time on our next video. Bye for now.